Good afternoon, CFD Nation. If you were watching last night's live draw, or the one with me and Joe at Celtic Lakes, and Lucas, of course, I'm literally just finished that session with Joe, so we've left, and I thought, while I'm nearby, and we spoke about it on the draw as well, it'd be rude not to go sea fishing. Never done it before in my life. I'm so excited. I've been to the local tackle shop that I managed to find on Google. And the chap in the tackle shop was very helpful, to be fair. So he's got me some pre-made rigs, he's given me some sand eels. They don't look like a fish, I haven't got a clue what they are. I presume they're a fish, so that's going to be my bait. And apparently just down here lies some big bass, so fingers crossed, hopefully I can pull one out. I've got 4 or 5 hours and then I'm going to head back, so I miss all the rush hour. But yeah, I'm so excited, so excited. Right, let's get a line in the ocean. You might struggle to hear me here because it's quite windy, but I've got to show you this. I've never seen anything like it. I'm not sure whether it's come out the sea or fallen from a different planet, but what is that? What's in there? I'm out. I'm done. There's loads of them. I presume they're just a jellyfish that's ended up getting washed up somehow. Look at the size of that one. Mad. Right, so I'm on. This, if you can see it or hear me, is a single hook bass rig. That's all I can tell you. Oh no, I can tell you more actually. It has beads on it. I have no idea what they do or what they're for, what they are on there. I'm going to stick a sand eel on and chuck it in a wet bin, hope for the best. I'll be back in a minute. So what I'm doing here, he told me in the tackle shop the hook needs to come out by its tail, so thread it through and it'll only bend one way, he says, but it's frozen and not very bendy, so I'm just going to have to wing it here, aren't I? I'm guessing something like that, I have no idea. There we go, anyway. Right, let's chuck it in. I'm not sure that's supposed to happen. Tactics a bit, and I've gone all the way through. I don't feel like these beads are helping either. Why are they on there? I'll have one more cast with this one, I'll put a new one on. I've done a catch. It's a fish. It's quite fishy. It's flat. It's a flatfish. Is this a place? I don't know. Someone happened to. I mean, it's tiny. What whatever it is. But I can't believe it. I actually caught a fish. It's absolutely hammered, this bait. But there we go. My first fish. Oh wow, it's got 2 eyes on the top and nothing. Mad. Right, let's get it back. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm trying to cover the phone as best as possible. Very windy out here. I've just done a tactical move. So I've never fished anywhere before where the water disappears from where you're fishing. Why, I don't know. I'm guessing I'm experiencing a low tide. Tide's happening, but the water went from where I was, so it was like 30 centimetres deep. So I've just moved up to where the estuary opens out a little bit before it gets to the sea, and it feels quite deep here, so fingers crossed the fishes would have moved up here. I don't know, I don't think they'd go up into the river. It does get very thin there, but not very deep, so I can't see it happening. But yeah, hopefully I'll have one again, so another fish of some kind, but we'll see. So got the rod set up just up here. Hopefully that will bend round in a minute. I'll have one of these bass that everyone keeps talking about down here. So just to show you around a little bit while I'm waiting for the magic to happen. Over there is where I'm parked, the other side of that sand dune. What a walk out that was. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning. I've had to walk about a mile to get here. And that is Abu Dhabi, that village. So I'm currently fishing in Borth. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, right on the estuary. Everyone recommended to come down here at the tackle shop, and there was a couple of old chaps in there buying some bits, and they said it was perfect fishing conditions down here today. One of them had actually been down here already this morning, had 5 bass out, so fingers crossed. But yeah, I don't know if you can see there, that's obviously where it becomes full on sea. At the minute this is just like baby sea, but yeah, beautiful place. The sea's a weird place. I mean, whatever's had this is literally just stripped its spine. Not bothered with the hook, just taking its spine and that's it. How strange. Well, what a session that was. I was not expecting any of that, to be fair. No idea what to expect, but I've had 3 in the end. So the other 2 were smaller than the one that I've shown you on video, so I didn't bother. I was hoping for a bass, to be honest. But I've loved that, absolutely loved it. Still haven't got a clue what they are. They were all the same. But yeah, excellent. So if anyone from CFD does more sea fishing or knows something about it, because I really don't, give me a shout and we'll go sea fishing. I don't mind the travel, and we'll go catch some whoppers from the ocean. Amazing. I really want to do a catch and cook now. So yeah, let me know. More videos coming up. We've got the Mere social in a couple of weeks, so we might make a little video there. There's got to be a prize for the biggest fish, hasn't there? So we'll do a video of that. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Helps us out a load, liking and subscribing, so please do. And as always, visit Carp Fishing Drawers, www.carpfishingdrawers.co.uk. Couldn't get my words out. Right, 3-hour drive home. See you on the next one.